give you the meaning of FEDI also, everything will be given. Okay. Download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material, current affairs, job alerts, daily quizzes, plus live classes, notes, tests. What all we need for JAIIB, CAIIB, and various banking exams, you get it over here. Also, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting, firstly, free YouTube series for various topics. Number one, all the updates for JAIIB and CAIIB as well as other banking exams. These are the two new batches which have come up, English and bilingual. More on this later, okay? But importantly, they have just started from December 26th. You can join them, okay? What is the schedule for today? The schedule is here. There are 4 points which we will be studying today. One is what is FEDI. Second is functions of FEDI. Third is what is an SRO. Now what is this SRO? This is a suspense. I'll give you at the end, isn't it? So SRO, what is an SRO? And objective questions. Now you might be feeling this session is of FEDI, then why this SRO has come in? Remember, FEDI and SRO are related to each other. Okay, let's move on. So what is FEDI? FEDI is the Foreign Exchange Association Dealers Association of India. Okay, so Foreign Exchange Dealers Association of India, you can directly write it that way. Okay, so it is Foreign Exchange Dealers Association of India. Okay, directly. A non-profit making body formed in 1958 with the approval of RBI. So it is formed with the approval of RBI. FEDI doesn't have a separate existence. Okay, but even though it is formed under RBI, it is promoted by RBI, but then also remember it's a separate body. Okay, that's why it said non-profit making. All the ADs, authorized dealers. Now who are the ADs? All the banks. Remember, every bank is an AD. Okay, all nationalized and commercial banks. I'm not talking about some cooperative banks, because what happens, some cooperative banks are not the members of this FEDI because they don't deal in forex. Anyone who deals in forex, any organization who deals in forex needs to be the member of this FEDI. It is called as AD, authorized dealer 1, 2 and 3. What are the functions of AD1, AD2, AD3? Anyone knows? Type fast. AD1 can do what? See here, I'll just give you in brief. Okay, AD1. Banks are AD1. They can handle retail and trade forex. Both. Okay, trade forex. Retail and trade forex. They can handle both. Okay, AD2. AD2 means what? Separate private institutions like Thomas Cook. Example, Thomas Cook. Okay. Good. So it can handle only retail trade, retail forex. It can't handle this trade forex. Okay. What is trade forex? Trade forex means import and export. Retail forex means father sending the funds to daughter in USA, daughter sending the funds from from USA to India. That is AD1 and AD2. AD3 generally performs the functions which are slight functions of AD1 and AD2. It's not that important. Generally, AD1 and AD2 are more important in any financial system. Okay. Now, what are the functions of FEDI? Number one, advising and supporting member banks with the issues that arise in their dealings. Means whatever the banks face the problems while dealing in forex. Dealings means dealing in forex. Always remember this. Okay. So whenever they deal in forex and what all problems they face, those problems need to be solved by FEDI. Representing member banks on the Reserve Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India means what? Any bank, all the banks, what are the problems of these member banks? Not only banks, they are of other institutions also. See here, AD1, AD2 both. Okay, representing AD1, AD2 and 3 also. Okay, all of them need to be represented to RBI. What are their problems? Okay, and then finding the solution for that. Announcement of daily and periodical interest rates to the member bank. Now this is important. Announcement of daily and periodical interest rate. Interest rates means what? Interest rate means those rates which are published by RBI. They are actually given by FEDI and then published by RBI. So announcement of daily and periodical interest rate to member banks. Next, guidelines and rules of forex business. So what all What are the holidays? Guidelines means what? What are the holidays of forex? What is TOM? What is cash? All these things are defined under FEDI. Okay. So guidelines for that and rules. What are, if you don't do so and so things, then what are the punishments for that? Those are also given by FEDI only. Training the bank personnel in the areas of foreign exchange business. So this is also important. Otherwise what happens, many of the bankers even today, they don't know much about forex. We deal in daily transactions, domestic transactions only. But training the bankers for forex is very important, because forex is a huge business and huge commission business. Okay. Accreditation of forex brokers. So this is important. Accreditation means what? That AD1, AD2, AD3. Okay. AD1, 2 and 3. So that is known as, I'll write it common over here, AD1, 2, 3. Okay. So accreditation of these forex brokers. This is also an important function of FEDI. Got it? Okay. Now we'll come to what is SRO. See this. Now, and how it is related to FEDI. See here. FEDI is a self-regulating organization. Means what? Although it is formed under RBI, but it has a separate existence. RBI does not control or govern the rules of FEDI. FEDI has its own rules. So, what are SROs then? Self-regulating organizations. SROs exist independently of national governments. Means even though they might be formed by the national governments and the combined agencies, but they exist separately. Nobody can control them. Like the Election Commission in India. Election Commission in India is formed by the government, but it's a self-regulating organization. Nobody can, even Supreme Court can't give the verdicts on this Election Commission, because they have their own existence. Okay. Yet still have the power to create and enforce industry regulations and standards, right? So FEDI has this power to create industry regulations regarding forex. Here, of course, FEDI will deal in forex only, it won't deal in domestic issues, right? So enforce and industry regulations and standards. So those are given by FEDI. Got it? SROs place enormous emphasis on ethics and equality. This is very important point regarding SROs. Okay, means FEDI also, Election Commission also, they always pay their focus to ethics and equality. Nobody should be hampered. It shouldn't be against the common ethics of the country. Okay. SROs are non-governmental agencies which can be helpful in industries such as finance that are international. So SROs are non-governmental agencies. Got it? See, this FEDI is formed by under RBI, but it's a non-governmental organization. Agencies which can be helpful in industries such as finance and that are international. Okay. So before moving ahead, see here, we have a felicitation ceremony arranged on 8th of January, 12 p.m. It is for all those who have cleared JAIIB, CAIIB in December 22. So if you are one of them, kindly attend it. If you have any friends, you can definitely attend it. The link for the same is given in the comment section, pinned comments. So definitely fill the form and attend this. See here, Adda 24/7 will reimburse all your 3-tier tickets on both the sides. Okay, so this is very important. So Adda, see here, will reimburse your 3-tier tickets on both the sides. Tell your friends also. Okay, everyone who has not liked this video up till now, kindly like the video. Share it with your friends. Comment yes if you have understood up till now. Okay. Click the bell icon. Everyone do it fast. I'll wait for 1 minute. Okay. Okay, move on. Let's come to the question part now. Which Ministry of Government of India decide permissibility of goods for export from India and import into India? So who decides export and import into India? Ministry of Commerce, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of MSME. So who decides? Let's mark this as A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C and D. Okay, so who decides that what should be exported and what should be imported from and to India? Correct? Fast. External Affairs. No, it has nothing to do with this commerce. Okay. Finance, no, finance also not. Correct answer is Commerce, Ministry of Commerce. Okay. So Ministry of Commerce, it decides on what can be exported from India and what can be imported into India. In fact, Ministry of Commerce gives the exempt policy. Always remember this. Exempt policy is given by Ministry of Commerce. Okay, this exempt policy gives all the details of what should be exported from India and what should be imported into India. Who regulates the foreign trade in India? Who regulates? RBI, DGFT, FEDI and SEBI. Who regulates? RBI or DGFT or FEDI, SEBI? SEBI is out. SEBI is what? Securities and Exchange Board of India, stock market, okay, stocks. So that is out, stock market. FEDI, can FEDI regulate? FEDI can't regulate. It can give the rules and this guidelines, okay, but it can't regulate. So this is out. DGFT and RBI. RBI does it. RBI deals in finance, isn't it? It's a financial organization after all, isn't it? So who deals in foreign trade? Basically DGFT, Department Directorate General of Foreign Trade. See here, I'll write the full form. Directorate. It's actually Directorate, okay, General of Foreign Trade. Okay. This organization controls the foreign trade in India. Foreign exchange rates in India are determined by. So foreign exchange rates are determined by what? Finance Ministry, RBI, FEDI, market forces of demand and supply. Who decides it in India? Does RBI give the rate or does FEDI? FEDI gives the rate, isn't it? FEDI gives the rates on a daily basis? No, FEDI gives the interest rates. Okay, FEDI doesn't give the rates directly because rates are never decided by any organization in India. Correct? The correct answer is yes, D, market forces. No one in India decides the market rates of this dollar versus rupee or any currency. It is totally determined by the market forces of demand and supply. More the demand, more will be the rate of that currency. Okay. In case of usance bills, the NTP, normal transit period, as prescribed by FEDI is 5, 15, 25 and 3 days. So what is the answer? What is NTP basically? NTP means, suppose here, this is a seller from India, seller, okay. He has sent the goods, okay. Goods are sent via sea, okay. This is the sea. So goods sent. Now he will collect the documents also, right? And he'll send the documents to my bank, let's say Indian Bank, okay? Let's say PNB, SBI, PNB, anything, okay? PNB, let me call this PNB. He will give the documents to PNB. What PNB will do? PNB will send the documents further to the issuing bank, okay? Let's say if it is in USA, then it will send it to issuing bank, that who has prepared that LC. So that issuing bank may be any Citibank, let's say call simple Citibank, okay. So now what happens? What is this NTP then? NTP means PNB sending the documents to Citibank, number of days to reach Citibank, and Citibank taking 5 banking days to check. So reach plus check. For checking, Citibank always have 5 banking days. 5 banking. Remember, banking. It's not working. It's banking days. Okay. So reaching plus checking. These total days are calculated under NTP. This is for documents only. This is not related to goods. Okay. So what is the NTP prescribed by FEDI then? 5, 15, 25 and 3 days. It is correct. C, 25 days. Got it? The exporter should necessarily submit the export documents to the bank within 15 days from the date of document, 15 days from the date of shipment, 21 days from the date of document, 21 days from the date of shipment. Yeah. When should the exporter submit the documents? Immediately. Okay. It's always said. Means what? Again, I'll show you. See this. The seller will send the goods, right? And he'll get the documents, all the 6 documents, 2I, 2B, PC. You check my video on this, okay? Invoice insurance, bill of lading, bill of exchange, packing list and certificate of origin. So these documents need to be submitted to this PNB in how many days? Number of days. Suppose if exporter submits after 1 year, then allowed? No. So what is the rule given? The rule given is within, okay, I'll give you a hint. A and B are out. Only C and D. 21 days from the date of docs, 21 days from the date of shipment. So the correct answer is correct. D. 21 days from the date of shipment. So the day this ship moves out of this port from India, immediately from within 21 days, the seller needs to submit it to PNB. Okay, or PNB. I am just giving you an example. It can be any bank. So now coming to this to the batches. See this. For CAIIB, we are having English and bilingual both batches. You can join any as per your preference. Just now they have started. So you also get the recorded videos. Importantly, the subjects are difficult ones. Also, you are getting huge discounts. I'll show you how to get the discounts. Okay, let's go directly to Adda 24/7. Okay, let me go to Adda 24/7. There I'll show you. Hold on. One sec. If you're having the app, I would suggest go on the app, because on the app you'll be getting 1% extra. So on Adda 24/7 JAIIB CAIIB, click on JAIIB CAIIB. You'll get this Mahapack, then CAIIB 23, JAIIB 23. Click on CAIIB 23. See this. Once you click on this, you'll get the batches over here. Look at the batches. English, bilingual, bilingual, English. You can click on this English batch. Okay. English batch, you can go through the details. All the details are given. For example, what are the timings? Then what is the study plan? Everything is given over here. Importantly, I'll tell you, ebooks are available. Ebooks are available. Recorded videos are available. If you miss out any class, okay, so recorded videos are available. Then live interactive classes, two-way interactive classes. You can ask the question then and there itself and clarify your doubts. Okay, so you can go through the details. Take your own time. I'll just discuss. Come to the fees part. Okay, so 23,999 is the fees thing. So I'll show you how to get the discounts. Means 23,999 is a big amount, isn't it? So I'll show you the discounts. Click on view offers. Once you click on this, see this. Put the code Y432. Always remember this code Y432. Click on apply. See this. You are getting 77% off. 23,999 fees reduces to 5,519. Huge discount. Okay. So definitely go for it. Also, I would suggest, instead of going for single batch, why don't you go for a pack of batches? Pack of batches means you get this Mahapack also. See this. Just when you go to this JAIIB CAIIB, you get this Mahapack. On the Mahapack, if you click, look at this. What is happening? Click on CAIIB ka Mahapack. Okay. There you will be getting, see this, CAIIB ka Mahapack. How many batches are you getting? You are getting almost 15 plus batches for ABM, BFM and BRBL. 15 plus full length mock tests, okay, for each subject. See this, 15 plus full length mock test, you are getting it over here. So why to go for a single batch? You can read the details again over here. Okay, why to go for a single batch? Go for the Mahapacks. In Mahapacks you will be getting multiple batches. Now fees again for this 35,996. Again you are getting the discounts. Click on this, put the code Y432. Y432. Okay. Click on apply. See this. Once you click on apply, see 35,996 and the fees you get it is 8,279. Means such a huge discount you are getting. Okay, so go for it immediately. Okay, why am I stressing on these batches? Because here the portion for CAIIB has changed. I'll show you what is the new portion. Okay. See this, the new portion is paper 1. Earlier there were 2 compulsory papers, now there are 4 compulsory papers. ABM, BFM, ABFM and BRBL. Okay. So ABFM is a new topic, BRBL is a new topic. This is related to legal and ABFM is related to business. Okay. Also the electives, there is no this retail elective now. Rural, HR, IT, central banking and risk. So these electives are also difficult. Negative marking is there. Also subjective questions. Subjective means what? You have to solve the questions this time. That's why I say join the batches ASAP. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, bye.